Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down. Tap on the about option. Now scroll down, and below the version, you should have the serial number right here. You can also check the serial number via the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the XIAOMI Wear application on our phone. Let's go back to the status page. This is the page you should see when you open the app. Now tap on the profile icon and on the profile page, scroll all the way down, tap on about device, and here we have the serial number of our device. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.